All right, friends, welcome back to this section. In this episode, we'll be looking at how to create external links. Okay, so there are two ways of creating links. You can create an internal link. Okay, so the internal link, when you create it and you click on it, it will reopen another page or another section inside your web page. Okay, and the external one will take you out of your web page to a different website or a web page. All right, so take note of that. And today we're going to specifically work on external. Okay, so later we will look at the internal one. Okay, and we work on a project on that one too. Anyway, so let's start. I have some written here. I said HTML links are defined with the A tag, which is the anchor tag. Okay, and the second says what the link destination is specified in the href attribute. Okay, I will explain. Then attributes also provide additional information about the HTML element. It's very simple. Let's start working on it. You understand it. So to create an external link, the first thing that you have to do is says what we need an anchor tag. This is an anchor tag. Before then, let me save it and show you in the browser. Okay, so you can see here that the A tag didn't come. Okay, the anchor tag didn't come. Yes, it's a tag, so it will not appear here. It's not a text. So we need an anchor tag with an href. Then within the href, we need an attribute. Okay. So with the anchor tag, then the next thing that we need is what? The link destination. Okay, we have to specify the link destination with the what? The href attribute. So then the inside here, what we put here is the attribute. We have the href already. We have to specify the link destination. So I'll do https, then forward slash, sorry. Then you specify the website that you want the person to head towards. Okay, so for here, I will say gtechbs.com. This is my website. Okay, Glorious Technologies, business.com. Okay. Then when I save this one, you will only see the link, but you wouldn't see anything. For instance, I didn't save. Let me save it and show you something. So now, okay, so to get this complete, we need to specify where the person is going. Okay, you need to tell the person to maybe click on this link so that you'll be taken to this website. Okay, there must be a specific instruction for the user to follow. So here I can do something like, okay, so I'll do something like go to Code Africa website. This is only what the person will see. Go to Code Africa website. You can see that the color has changed. Okay, and if you look at the mouse now, it is clickable. When you click on it, there you go. You can see that it has directs you to my official website. Okay, so basically that's how you can take advantage of creating a link. It's very simple. You just have to call your href. A quick recap. Okay, you have to call your anchor tag with your href. Then within the attributes, okay, you put the destination link here. Okay, you put the URL here. Then you give a specification for the person to click. When the person click on it, the text that you would put here is what's going to show for the person or for the user to click on it to be redirected to that particular website. Very simple as that. All right, take notes. And that is all for now. Let's meet on the next section and learn more.